In this tutorial, I'll show you how you can transfer the ownership of any file or folder in your Google Drive. If you want to transfer the ownership of any file or folder, so first let's access the Google Drive. You can access the Google Drive either via the desktop application or using any web browser of your choice. Then once you are inside the home folder, simply click on this My Drive button right here to better access the file or folder that you want to transfer the ownership of. So simply choose the particular folder, for example say this folder right here, and I want to transfer the ownership. So all you need to do is click on these three vertical dots right here, and it will give you an option to share this. Simply hover your cursor and click on the share button right here. Now once you do, you can see dialog box right here, and or to transfer the ownership of this folder to someone else, you need to type the email address of that person. So I have shared this folder previously with someone else, so I will be simply using this button right here, and here you can see that this is the option. So once you have done this, all you can do is simply click on the send button just to make them a recipient, and then all you need to do again is simply click on these three vertical dots again and go to the share button again and wait for the dialog box. So now when you have given them the access, be it any access, that doesn't matter, then you can choose this drop down arrow right here. Once you do, you can see this transfer ownership option right here. So all you need to do is click on this transfer ownership button, and a mail will be sent to the recipient, so they will accept it, and the folder will be transferred to them, and they will be the new owner of this folder. So if you want to confirm, you can simply click on the send invitation button. So let's wait for the invitation to be sent, and here you can see that the invitation has been sent. So until and unless they accept the invitation, you only will be the owner of this folder. So simply click on the done button, and let's see how you can accept the invitation if you are the recipient. So I will open the email address to whom which we just sent this invitation, and here you can see that this is the inbox, and from here I can see that this invitation was provided to me and to own a folder. And all I need to do is click on this accept button right here, and just as I will accept this, you can see that this check mark appeared and it says you have accepted ownership of this file since this is the new folder. And now if I'll go back to the drive, and here you can see that this will now be the property of somebody else. So that's it for this video. As you have successfully learned how to transfer the ownership of this file, I'll see you in the next one. Don't forget to like this video if you like the content, share this, comment, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching and have a nice day.